Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system. Come see the car for yourself.